In a call center, every second counts, but you cannot stand behind every agent's chair. With a live screen wall, supervisors see all agent screens in one grid in real time. Yeah? You can instantly spot problems, wrong software open, private browsing, long idle times. You will have the total overview about over what happens on your call center agent computers. Yeah? This will help you quality control, training new agents, and protecting sensitive customer data. Yeah, so let's jump into the software that you need if you wanted to monitor and to see the live computer screens of your call center agents. The software that you need is a software called Wolfeye Remote Screen, Wolfeye. Yeah, Wolfeye is a small piece of software. You install it on each of your agent's computer, and I will show you in a minute how. Yeah, and will get access to a dashboard that you will be able to open in any browser. So you will see the live screen of your agents, not only on your laptop or not only on your remote computer, your remote PC, but also on your smartphone because you have a browser on your smartphone. So this is the login to the dashboard for Wolfeye, wolfeyewatch.com here /frames for the demo version. Yeah? And the password for the demo is 12345. Of course, if you get your own dashboard, the no password will here be displayed. This is just a demo so that you could also visit it. 12345. You access your dashboard, and for each of the computer of your call center agent, you will see the live computer screen. Okay, again, this is a demo. This is a demo dashboard. That's why you see dummy pictures here, but in reality, you will see the live screens for each of your call agent computers. Um, in this case, Wolfeye has been installed on 5 computers. And if you wanted to take a closer look at one particular computer, you simply right mouse click on this link that says live for this particular computer, a new browser, open it in a new browser, a new tab, and you will see for that particular computer the live computer screen. Again, this is a dummy picture because this is a demo dashboard, but in reality, you see here the live screen in a big format. And also, if you wanted to check what has been done throughout the day, you could check the screenshot history. Yeah, you have to enable it. It's disabled by default. You enable it, and then you right mouse click, for example, for this computer on history, and a new tab opens, and you get the screenshot history. Every 5 minutes, a screenshot is made for that particular computer. Yeah? Again, this is a demo dashboard, and that's why you see here dummy pictures. In reality, you see the screenshot history. So if you wanted to try this out and to see how it works, come to our website, wolfeye.co, set your language here, and open this 14-day free trial. Click on this button here that says 14-day free trial, wolfeye.com. You click it, okay, and you can book a free live demo session with me. I'm Angel from Wolfeye.co. I speak English, Spanish, German, and Portuguese. And in this demo session, what will happen will be the following. First, Wolfeye will already be installed on my computer, and I will give you the access to my private dashboard. You will log into the dashboard. I give you the password and everything, and we'll see my live screens. You will see my live screen so that you exactly know how it is, how it works, what you will get if you install it on your computer. And the next step in this free live demo session will be that I give you the download link if you want. And